Hi, I'm miltonchang of Bonsai Heirloom. I would like to announce two fund drives to help the LA County fire victim. One is a donation. You can go to our website that you can donate. The way I figure is that I have 160,000 subscribers around the world. And if every one of you donate $1, it's $168,000, not insignificant. And if you donate $100, I'm very happy. And then the other one is to have a auction. I donated this, my favorite trident maple bonsai, which I started from a seed and 27 years ago, and it is my favorite bonsai. And I have demonstrated that work on this tree many a times on the show. For that one, I think it should be only available to domestic audience because the shipment restriction internationally. We have an app on our website, auction app, that you can bid it. Now, 100% of the donation for both program will be donated to a fund. In this case, I've selected the Caltech and JPL Disaster Relief Fund. The way I see it, when I was a young man, the Catholic brothers taught me charity begins at home. You try to do favors or take care of your people that are near to you, your friends, your relatives. And in this case, I'm a graduate of Caltech, I'm an alum of Caltech, and I'm still a trustee. And the school is dear to me. Without it, I couldn't have succeeded. You know, the whole disaster really hits me close to home. My best friend, 60-year friend, both him and his daughter's house got burned to the ground. I mean, it's really a tragedy, that unimaginable tragedy. So please be generous. And the one thing good, that's why I selected this particular fund, is that 100% of the proceeds with no overhead goes to the victims. And they have a very interesting program where any victim, you know, there's several hundred, Caltech is located in Pasadena and JPL is located in Altadena. And many of their staff, organization staff, faculties, and students have their homes in Altadena and Pasadena, and they got burned to the ground. And any victim can apply up to $6,000 as a little fund, show amount of compassion to help them, tie them over. And 100% of the proceeds from donation, just like 100% of what you donated to us, will go to that fund. So it's in some sense a good deal, in the sense there's no overhead involved. I hope you'll be generous, open your pocketbook, show your generosity to help us, the Bonsai Heirloom community, show our compassion. So thank you very much. Please go to our website and donate. We will end it in about 4 weeks, which is about the end of March. Okay, thank you.